Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the UltraMotive Garage here, and we're continuing progress on the Forza Z. Now, if you guys watched last video, you guys would have seen that we installed the brand new Savin carbon fiber hood right there. And next, we got to get rid of this old thing right here. It's a little bit scratched up. It's the stock 350Z front bumper. It has to go. According to the Forza animation, the front bumper gets completely modified. In fact, the whole car almost has a body kit that surrounds it. Not a wide body kit, but a body kit. So that means we're also going to have to do side skirts in the future. And we do currently have a rear diffuser, and the Forza Z does have the stock Z bumper back here. So the rear end we might be leaving, except for the big wang. That's coming. Stay tuned for the big wang, okay guys? But it is time to completely improve the front end of the car. And with that said, for a aftermarket body kit front bumper, we are going with not the dog, shabam! This bad boy right here. So this is an authentic charge speed front bumper, and I'm going to be doing charge speed side skirts as well. So we're going to be doing an authentic charge speed body kit on the 350Z, and it's really hard to see here because it has already been painted black by my boy Derek. Shout out to him. We have carbon canards. They're going to complement my carbon fiber hood so well as make my front end a lot more track oriented, a lot more mean and aggressive to go along with this big rear wing that we're going to be putting on in the future. And you can see the little charge speed plaque right there. Ain't no reps going on this car. So before we actually put this bumper on, I decided that these two canards that we have on either side, that's not enough, okay? We need to put another set on top of these, and that's really gonna make this thing look crazy track oriented. So with that said, let's go install some more carbon canards onto this bumper. Oh my god, this thing's gonna mount up so nicely. Holy crap. That's good. This is gonna change everything. It's gonna change the whole damn game. Boom! We got double canards now. It's hard to explain why having two makes so much of a difference over one, but I feel like you guys will see when the car is fully done with all the aero on it. You just always got to do that extra amount to make sure your front bumper is looking good. Oh my. Oh. I keep on dropping this stupid thing. Ah! Are you kidding? Bruh, it's under the entire car. I swear, if I drop this one more time. Oh. Well, alright, well that was easy. Woo! The Savin hood do be light as a feather though. Now we just have the easy clamps. Boom! So floppy. This thing is definitely way more floppy than the new bumper is. Alright, time to go. But in all seriousness, let me make it clear that if any of you do want a black OEM 350Z bumper with a little scratch right here, just DM me on Instagram. Now, moment of truth. Time to mount the brand new charge speed bumper. Yep, this one isn't as floppy, and it's a lot more heavier actually. Now let's close the hood. Oh, woohoo! I know I'm blocking the camera view, but I'm gonna show you guys once we finish putting all the bolts in, bolting the bumper up, and then lowering the car. Okay guys, it's time for me to show you the car. You can see it peeking right there, you can see the little canards, but before I show you, you guys have to trust me on this, okay? The front bumper is not gonna look as good until the entire car is done right now. But 3, 2, 1, here we go. This is what she looks like on the Z. It honestly increases my front nose. It literally increases the entire length of the car. I'm gonna have to calculate that for when I put it in the garage and make sure there's enough room and all of that. But overall, I absolutely love it. But the big thing is that there's a huge difference in proportions on what you guys are seeing on camera versus what this is like in real life. On camera, the front nose looks way too blobby. It looks way too big. Whereas in real life, it actually complements it really well. Now, I can agree that it's gonna need a lot more going on back over here. It's gonna need some skirts. It's gonna need the big wing, especially to go with the canards that we now have. So you guys have to trust the process. Just look at these vents up here. It's so much more mean than the OEM bumper. And now we have kind of an added on lip down here as well. I'm gonna have to watch out for that and scraping and whatnot, because now I actually will have clearance issues with this car. Overall, I am so happy with this. I wish it showed up better on camera. But this thing is definitely going on. Oh, someone's getting their mail back there. Well, actually, 2 people are getting their mail back there. Is there gonna be 3? Well, I don't think he's gonna get the mail back there. So we're taking the Z out and we're barely in. I don't know if you guys can see on the windshield, but we got some rain droplets. Now this is my first time kind of testing the waters on my fully vented hood. So I don't know how much water is gonna affect the engine bay because of how exposed it is, but hopefully we just don't have a full downpour and an overflood in my engine. We're just cross our fingers for that. Oh, whose freaking dumb Maserati is that? Freaking revving and stuff. Freaking dumb Maserati owners in Bellevue. Bro, this dumb Maserati owner is really gonna take my spot right now. What the heck is this? Look, does he know how to park? Wait, actually though, what is that? Oh my God, he's still going 5 hours later. The rain is still coming down, but I was able to custom fab a genius idea. The fitment's a little bit off. Wait, where? Aha, there we go. Boom, my geniusness. Dude, I have more IQ than the whole parking lot combined right now. So therefore, that is gonna protect my engine bay. At least before it gets all soggy. Favorite vehicle out of the meat, the green Sprinter van. It's gotta be like a limited edition color, don't you think? It's like, how many of these in bright froggy green do you think that they made?
Hold on, what happened here? Closer.
Oh, it's got some dents. You know what? Those are the dent marks from the last dude trying to bust his way out, being stuck inside. You can see the little imprints on the back doors.
It's a little morbid, but yeah.
S281 baby barricade from Transformers.
Oh,
that's what it is. Dude, are these things fast? I don't know, it's had some age. Whoa.
It's a Celine, so probably. Dog.
It's just your average car meet out here. They got dog chases and car chases. That is an Impreza, or is that a Crosstrek?
That's a Crosstrek, but does he have LEDs in his?
You got LEDs and train horns before the Yeezys, right? Alright, so back to the shoes.
Yeah, so they're made by Imran Potato, so just look them up, Imran Potato.
Dang.
Lobsters, look at that.
Holy crap. Dude, they're gonna outdo the Crocs. I gotta peep this guy's hoodie too. I recognize something on here. That looks a little familiar to me. What the hell? Why does the way he's on, is that spinning? Okay, because I was gonna say the throttle sounded so weird.
Oh. Get sideways the whole way up the hill. Well, it was sketchy.
Oh boy. Dang it, he didn't hit the curb. Yo, you guys gotta see exposed dipstick mod?
Oh yeah?
Dude, yellow dipstick sticking out. Can't ignore
Pop the hood
that.
real quick. I want to see if it's a short throw dipstick.
You sure you want to see his dipstick?
Yeah.
All right. Dude, I'm warning you, it's long.
I doubt it. Wait, is this? No.
Yeah, it's got a stick.
I got it. Pour.
What is this medieval technology that's used to hold it up? No, he's stealing my dipstick. Yo, how dare you? When am I gonna flex in the engine bay?
Did you even have oil? Why is it clear?
I mean, it is a VQ. They do run through that a lot.
Buddy. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a limp dipstick.
A little bit.
It's a little crooked.
She's so crooked though.
So yeah, I'm be down.
Can't get it in.
You gotta just stick it
Yeah,
in.
Tom, that's a first.
How many men does it take to get a dipstick in a car? Bye, Tim. Go top down in the rain, you won't.
I'll go grab the burnout mobile.
Oh, yo, the Volt. Dude, you gotta be careful pulling out with the Volt. Cop lights might turn on.
They might hear my engine. They might call me.
Dude, burnout, you won't in the Chevy Volt.
Every 5
So if you guys are gonna have your car meet here, that's totally fine. But just try and let your friends know to not rev it up and do burnouts and shit, because we have like 4 traffic officers that aren't even responding to 911 calls during the night.
Yeah.
And if it becomes an issue and we get enough complaints, we will come up here and be assholes about it and have to start writing tickets and sit right here and not allow it to go. All right. So we won't bother you guys if you guys don't cause a ruckus.
Yo, how's you doing? You hooning the freaking Volt. Tom fell for the funny. Basically, the fridge gets everyone that comes over because you pour this in the ice and then you think it's water. So you want to press that for water.
Sense.
And then instead, boop, it comes out of that. And it goes on there. I gotta show the viewers.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, like that.
It's funny how you shot at from across the room. He did the funny.
Dude, I was over there literally just watching for it to happen. Because I see him going for water, I'm like, oh, is he gonna be one of them?
You're like, oh, he's about to do it.
Is he gonna fall for it?
Interject like, hey.
No, we watch it happen. And it's funny because everyone like feels all bad and stuff, but it's more entertaining for us that it happens rather than not, you know? We got Top Gear, old Top Gear, the good one going on right now. We got the dog, we got the boys, and the girl.
Wow. I don't know my name now. It's like, oh yeah, the girl.
Ultra.